Yeah, thank you, John. Of course, Thanksgiving Eve today, and everybody busy in the kitchen today and tomorrow morning. And Carol, you have a great recipe for us. This is make-ahead mashed potatoes.
Yes, it is. So it says that you can make it ahead, and you can put it in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 days in advance, and then reheat it either in the oven or in your crock pot. So what you do is just like peel your potatoes and boil them up, like 2 or 3 days ahead, and then you mash them. You add, this is the good part, you add cream cheese, butter, and sour cream. This is why they are, this isn't your plain old potatoes.
No.
This is plain old potatoes.
Can I stir that up for you?
Yeah, and then we can mash and stir and stir.
Okay.
And then a little bit of pepper, salt, and garlic powder, which is optional for the garlic powder. Some people aren't into garlic.
Yeah,
and you just mix and mix and mix. Then you can either serve it immediately if you're so desired, but the best part is you can put it in the refrigerator for a couple days and then take it out and either put it in the oven to heat it up, or the best thing is put it in your crock pot. You can just take it out, let it warm up a little bit on the counter for about an hour, then plop it all in a crock pot and set it for 2 or 3 hours on low, and kind of keep an eye on it and stir it. And then it's all ready. But what's Thanksgiving without mashed potatoes? It's the staple, and you never, it depends if you have big boys and old brothers that just die for mashed potatoes. You never can have enough, so you have to make a huge pot. And if you're doing it at the last minute, you usually have a huge kettle, and you're sitting there at the last minute trying to get it mashed. So this helps with that. You can make a huge pot, put it in your fridge, and forget it, and then heat it up later.
Can you use a blender on this to kind of speed it up?
Yeah, you can use a mixer, hand mixer to speed it up,
Yeah. Okay, well, here's the finished product here. This looks great. We're gonna give it a try here. Looks really good. And you could probably add more butter to it.
Yes, you could. You certainly can. You can add more butter. You can add more everything to it. But yeah, they're remarkable. They are remarkable.
These are very good. Where'd you get the recipe?
A friend of mine, her name's Darcy Rinke, she sent it to me because we were talking about that. I'm cooking for their family.
Yeah.
And so she sent me, I said, I need some good potato recipe because I'm not very creative. So she sent it to me.
Hers. Okay. Yeah. All right. And we do have it on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you guys would like to copy it down and maybe try it tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right. Back to you, John.